Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about your dryer vent ducting. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that red button down there and get subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the information I have for you for getting prepared and ready for emergencies. All right, dryer vent ducting. I've had a lot of people over the years when I've talked about this say, well, mine has a screen inside of it. I just open the door, I pull the screen out, and I just clean all the stuff out of it, and I'm good. No, you're not. That catches some of the larger pieces of lint and stuff. I mean, sometimes you get in there, you open it up, and that thing's just packed solid, and it's just from one load. Well, whatever that's catching, stuff is still getting by. And it collects all along the ducting and that flexible ducting where it goes out and outside the house. If you go to where it comes outside and you look at it and you see little pieces of lint around it, that means lint's making it through. And it also means it's collected inside that ducting. You want to at least, I repeat, at least twice a year, pull the dryer out, take the ducting off, clean it out. They have special brushes you can put in there to help brush it out. They have special shop vac systems that you hook up to it. You run the brush in there, you pull it, and it pulls all the lint and everything out. Dryer fires cause a lot of fires every year, and they're preventable. All right? So go check out your dryer vent ducting and make sure it's cleaned out. Setting the clocks forward and back is a great time to check out a lot of stuff. Make that a Saturday activity twice a year for the whole family to go through and clean stuff up and prep the house. Dryer vent, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, the grease vent over the stove. There's a lot of things you can check out and get cleaned on a Saturday like this. All righty. So in the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most importantly, stay prepared because you want to be able to take care of your family in a disaster. All right? And I will see you in the next video.